To what's happening as far as Sachin Pilot is concerned. Sachin Pilot is in Dosa presently paying tribute to his father on his death anniversary. Now, the show's strength planned by him against Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot has been cancelled, though he and his supporters will now take part in the fuel hike protest, which has been called by the Congress party. Sources close to Sachin Pilot are also now saying he has no intentions of leaving the Congress party. He will not act in any way which violates the party discipline, though the former Deputy Chief Minister will continue to raise his demands in front of the top brass. Sachin Pilot is expected to meet the leadership and remind them of their assurances when he visits the national capital in the coming days. But as of now, Sachin Pilot in Dosa presently paying floral tribute to his father on his death anniversary. We're putting out those visuals coming in from Dosa and Rajasthan on our screens as well. He also put out a tweet saying heartfelt tributes to my father Rajesh Pilot ji on his death anniversary. Bhavani is now joining us. Bhavani, ये थोड़ा सा एक डिटूर था. पहले बताया जा रहा था कि सचिन पायलट दौसा नहीं जाएंगे, पर अब वो गए हैं अपने फादर को फ्लोरल ट्रिब्यूट श्रद्धांजलि देने. अब क्या एजेंडा है बाकी दिन का?
देखिए, पहले ये था क्योंकि दो कार्यक्रम एक साथ थे. जो कांग्रेस का कार्यक्रम है जिसमें आज प्रोटेस्ट करना कांग्रेस को 11 बजे महंगाई के खिलाफ सभी पेट्रोल पंप पर, तो सचिन पायलट का पहले प्रोग्राम ये था कि वो प्रोटेस्ट में शामिल होंगे और उसके बाद में दौसा जाएंगे, लेकिन आज वो उससे पहले चले गए आज. और अभी वो गए थे लेकिन मात्र 2 मिनट रुके और जिस शो ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ की बात थी, शक्ति प्रदर्शन की बात थी, वो नहीं किया गया. सचिन पायलट वहाँ पहुँचे. मात्र 2 विधायक जो लोकल MLA हैं दौसा के वो मौजूद थे और अकेले ही गए थे सचिन पायलट और वहाँ पर पुष्पांजलि अर्पित की और उसके बाद में 2 मिनट रुके और वो चले आए. इस बीच में उन्होंने बात की, तब उन्होंने कोई पॉलिटिकल बात नहीं की. उन्होंने सिर्फ अपने पिता को याद किया, कहा कि हर साल वो उनकी बरसी मनाते हैं, आज इसीलिए पुष्पांजलि अर्पित करना है. पॉलिटिकल बात से बचते रहे. अभी 11 बजे सचिन पायलट जयपुर के अंदर प्रदर्शन में शामिल होंगे और उसके बाद में सचिन पायलट हो सकता हो कि शाम तक दिल्ली जाएं. इस बीच में हमारी जानकारी मिली है कि सचिन पायलट की कांग्रेस के कुछ नेताओं से बात हुई है, प्रियंका गांधी से बात हुई है उनकी, और उसके बाद में उन्होंने जो शक्ति प्रदर्शन करना था दौसा के अंदर अपने विधायकों को, वो टाल दिया था किसी तरीके का. इसलिए उन्होंने ज़्यादा विधायकों को इकट्ठा नहीं किया या और भीड़ नहीं थी, ये कोशिश की गई है. तो अब सचिन पायलट चाहते हैं कि पूरे मसले का शांतिपूर्ण समाधान हो जाए. और समाधान क्या है? उनकी जो 2 बड़ी मांग है. एक ये है कि राजस्थान में अशोक गहलोत कैबिनेट का विस्तार हो और उसके अंदर उनके जो समर्थक MLA उनको शामिल किया जाए. और दूसरी ये है कि पॉलिटिकल अपॉइंटमेंट्स, निगम बोर्डों के अंदर अपॉइंटमेंट्स हो, उसके लोग शामिल किया जाए. और जो सुलह कमेटी बनी हुई है वो सुलह कमेटी की बैठक हो और उसके अंदर जो उनकी ग्रीवेंसेज है उस पर सुनवाई हो. जी.
Okay, Bhavani, I'll request you to stay on with us. Our senior editor Pallavi Ghosh is also now joining us. Pallavi, good morning. I want to understand from you, should we read too much into this visit at Dosa? Because if I understand this correctly, this is in every year, family affair to go and pay quick tributes to his late father. I also want to understand what you're picking up from your sources as far as Sachin Pilot is concerned. Could he be in the national capital in the next coming days?
Well, Dosa is something, yes, he always goes there as a tribute to his father, Rajesh Pilot, tallest leaders of the Congress party, I would say, and also that whole farmer's legacy. I think what he's trying to do is do 2 things. One, remind the Congress party of his legacy. And the second thing also, by following the rule book, in the sense that after this, around 11 a.m., he goes back to Jaipur city, he takes part in the party's scheduled fuel price protests. He's making this point to the Congress party that, listen, I'm not doing anything which can be seen as a violation of the party discipline. I'm doing everything you're asking me to do, whether it is taking part in these protests, whether it's campaigning for the party in by-polls and in the state poll elections. But what about the other side? And the other side is what Bhavani was responding to, was that committee which has been set up, headed by Ajay Makhan. And one of the points of the committee which was given an assurance to Sachin Pilot is those appointments for his people. See, the strength of any leader comes in from how much he is able to get for his supporters. And therefore, it becomes very important for Sachin Pilot's politics that his supporters are accommodated. That hasn't happened till yet. In the last 2 to 3 days, his supporters have been speaking out, reminding the top leadership. So he's expected to come to national capital. He was expected over this weekend. There's a high possibility he comes to Delhi late tonight. As of now, no meeting fixed with the Gandhis.
Okay, Pallavi, we'll request you to stay on with us. Bhavani, thanks for getting us all those details. Shifting focus to what's happening in Punjab, the three-member committee formed by Sonia Gandhi to solve the internal feud within the Congress in Punjab has now recommended this, that no chief ministerial face should be projected for the upcoming state elections. The panel has also suggested a reshuffle in the state's leadership. A new Punjab chief will be decided by the top brass in Delhi. Now, the three-member committee is also emphasized on giving a greater role to Navjot Singh Sidhu, despite some negative reviews that have been reported. So what is the Congress's fix as far as the state of Punjab is concerned? What has the committee recommended? And this is something that our reporters have been reporting for so long, that the idea would be to not have a chief ministerial name and a face as of now. No chief ministerial face should be projected. This is what we are picking up from our sources, which are now telling CNN News 18 that this is what we could see playing out in the state of Punjab. Navjot Singh Sidhu can be given an important role despite some of the negative reviews that he has seen. A reshuffle within the state organization, so you could see some sort of a reshuffle, but not a complete overhaul as far as the authorities in Punjab are concerned. A top leadership should pick the new PCCC chief. This, of course, decisions could happen here in the national capital, a small group for coordination till the elections. Remember, Punjab is a poll-bound state, so the idea would be to show that the house is in place. So for now, to put all sort of rumors to rest, the idea is to not have a chief ministerial face as of now. Pallavi continues to be with us. Pallavi, so no chief ministerial face as of now, but perception and optics are a huge factor in politics. The idea and the challenge for the Congress will be that despite all the murmurs and the infighting that's happening, the idea is to project themselves that the house is in order.
Yes, and that's the reason why a coordination panel has been set up to ensure that at least till the elections, everything goes on smoothly. The problem for the captain over here is that back home in Punjab, the feeling is getting ground that, all is not well for him as far as the central leadership is concerned. And I think at some point of time, knowing captain, he would want to bounce back and to retaliate. Immediately, what does the top leadership do? We'll have to wait and watch. These are just panel recommendations. They don't all have to be accepted in toto. But for now, I think the top leadership would want to play safe, not want to announce a CM face for 2022.
Pallavi, thanks for getting us all those details. Let's also now listen into some political reactions.
Last time you projected Captain Amrinder Singh. We projected Captain Amrinder Singh. And Captain Singh made a couple of promises. There were two different kind of promises. One was a promise to the Gurus. See, you must understand that Punjab is the only majority Sikh state in the world. And by placing the holy book on his palm, he had promised certain things, which he has not delivered till date. It's been 4.5 years. We just have another 5 to 6 months to go before the elections are called in.
One thing is for sure that Congress has totally failed in Punjab. That is the reason that they are not even capable of putting up the face of the Chief Minister in the Punjab. That is the reason, because they failed. Bajwa Sahab himself admitted here that the promises made by the Congress and the Congress Chief Minister, they are unable to perform that and unable to make it up. Now, the question is, when people are fighting against the corona, this party is fighting for the power hunger.
Meanwhile, the Congress General Secretary Harish Rawat says that the top brass of the party is looking into the allegations which have been made by Pargat Singh on Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh. Remember, Pargat Singh had accused Chief Minister Amrinder's political advisor Sandeep Sandhu of threatening him. Let's listen in.
अब यदि कोई जो है इस प्रकार से बाहर आ करके प्रेस में बयान देता है